Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, July 5th. After a nice holiday, 4th of July holiday, we are seeing how the markets are being sold off. So, therefore, should we just go with the market, go with the trend? Well, the trend uh, right now will be initiated since we have had 2 days of just basically flat, just ranging. It has been this zone right here. We can see it has made a triple top, and now we are coming off that triple top. So therefore, I'm gonna use 1500 as my support level and 15500 as my resistance. Initially, you could speculate that 15,200 could be a level of support for the Nasdaq. So let's see what if that would be the case. So, but I'm just contemplating that as the U.S. market opens, uh, there will be profit taking, and this continuation of downtrend will continue is equally with the S&P. 4,500 will be the resistance, 4,420 will be the support for it, and initially, 4,450 could be that initial support, but selling the indices in the morning. As well as for the Dow, the Dow also trading lower, looking, it could be, like I said, profit taken. We have come up barely off the top of that high of June 16th. So therefore, we could speculate that a continuation of this could continue. 34,400 could be that initial level for support. Okay, if it's broken, then we could contemplate 34,200. Now, crude oil is looking to come out of this range that it has been doing. Okay, 72.50 will be that resistance, and 69.5 could be that support for it. $71 could be acted as a pivot point. Market has is looking to fluctuate around that as it's showing today. Trading lower, coming back to it. Trading higher, coming back to it. So that could be one case. Then we have gold. Natural gas. Natural gas here have 274-ish as my resistance and 250 as my support. 265-ish will be that also pivot point. Let's see if it continues to fluctuate to the downside. Then we have here gold that is also looking to recuperate itself after making this low on June 29th, traded below 1900 psychological support level. It recuperated, nice trading above that, but now it seems to be making a triple top so far. If the market doesn't obviously supersedes this two highs of Monday and Tuesday, then that could be as a seen as a triple top. Now, therefore, could we continue into this? I will wait to see if the RSI hits 50, and therefore, uh, how close will to the resistance would it be for me to take a position in it? All right. But if that will be the case, then it will be looking perhaps to sell it, as the resistance means there are some sellers around that area. Okay. Then we have silver, which is also just looking to just range around this level, around the $23 level, making it using it as a resistance. So let's see if that will continue the case. 2250 will be the support, and 145 will be the resistance. Copper, however, it did trade lower. It seems to be recuperated itself. I'm using 375 as a pivot point to see if it'll trade above that and perhaps take an entry in that. Then Bitcoin looking to stay north of 30,000 by psychological support level. It's been here around here many times, so that could be the case. But I'm using the low of this doji as my support for it. Yeah, so at the case in this For instance, selling will be one way to no, to day trade it using 30,000 as my support. Then we have the currencies, the euro, looking to stay around the 109 marker. Uh, let's see if that will be the case. And the pound looking to stay north of 127. But if the dollar index recuperates and fluctuates north or towards the 103 marker, then we will probably see a retracement on the currencies and the metals. But if it drops below the 102.50 towards the 102 handle, then we'll probably see a spike in metals and currencies. Well, that's it for me today. Have a fantastic trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.